Here I've got QILIVE 5039D, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the browser that you are using, and in my case it's Google Drive. The icon is right here. Then just click on the more icon, 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and select history. And here go to clear browsing data and select some options from basic and advanced features. So under basic you will find browsing history, cookies, media licenses and site data, cached images and files, and then under advanced you can come along with a few more like cached images and files, saved passwords out of and from data, and also site settings, and you can unmark some of them if you would like to leave something, but I would like to remove all of the info. And finally just select the time range, so click on time range and then pick the period of time from which you would like to delete the history, and it's going to be last hour, past 24 hours, last 7 days, 4 weeks, or the beginning of time, and this is what I will pick all time. And then click on, let me mark cookies and site data as well, and then click on clear data, confirm that you would like to remove everything. Okay, I got it, and as you can see there is no more history here, and you can create it from scratch. So this is it, that would be all, so you can clear browsing data in your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.